Okay, we are rolling through Alamino City. Try not to get run over. Should I hold it up?
Yes. I'm in a hurry.
No, let's go, let's go. Can I film in here? Can I film in here?
This one?
That guy. What do you think?
Isang malit. Tapos,
Look at all the goodies. These are pretty good. These are pretty good. Banana Crunch.
this one.
No cake. These are good for snacks right here.
How about this one? I have one butter slice.
I'm gonna do a Banana Crunch.
Yeah. This one, no?
That'll get too smashed up, I think. What do you got?
I got this one.
And you have two Banana Crunches?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
butter. One is chocolate.
Sure.
One for me, one for you.
Yeah, we don't need much.
Tapos yung maliit na black forest. Ayan. Yes, cutie. I'm ordering cake for my creamer.
Yeah.
Travel kayo ba?
I'm ordering cake for my for my creamer.
Oh, pretty soon we'll be out of here. Feels good in here though. It's very hot outside. Homeless. Huh? Oh. Let's go. We have 5 minutes. Off. School must be out. Or it's lunchtime, right? School kids. Yeah, a little bit. Where are we again? We are in Alaminos City. Let's get up there.
We're gonna go back.
They know. Little girls are waving. I'm here. Whoa, watch where you're going. Here we go. This is it.
Yeah?
Sweating my ass off.
Same here.
And just think, Minnesota is going to be getting around 3 to 7 inches of snow this coming weekend. And here I am, sweating. Sweating profusely. Gonna need water soon. Hope we can catch our jeepney in time. It's gonna be tight. We only got a few more minutes. We'll see. Lots of people. There's a warehouse club. That's where we get everything like groceries, refrigerators, washers. This is Agno Bani Alaminos. No, not that one. What's this one, hon? This is the one. Yeah, but we got a lot of bags.
But we can put our bayadan we can just pay one seat there.
Huh?
We can just we sit here, but we can just pay one seat to for the
Okay,
ride.
that's fine. Check this out. We got a front seat. Yep. You're gonna sit up too, right? Here comes the fun part.
I put this way.
What's that?
Your bag.
That's fine. Yep. Okay. Now it's my turn. I gotta try to jam in here. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't so bad. I'm still here.
Stand na lang ate. Okay, meron na po. Sa susunod na lang po.
Okay. Maybe we will shut off for right now
Yeah.
until we get moving. Okay. We'll be back.